Happy Halloween! Welcome to my front porch, all decked out for the holiday. I'm going to show you how I made this amazing skeleton decoration. The first thing you need to do is take your large skeleton heads, and the first one, we're going to drill a very large hole in the bottom of it. Now we took a slim Christmas tree and the trunk of it, we turned it upside down, and the trunk of it, we stuck that first skeleton head right on top of it. Then you're going to take the tree and use extra large zip ties and attach it to your column. Then the next two skeletons you're going to, or the rest of the skeletons you're going to attach, you're going to drill a hole in both sides of the skull. Feed one of the zip ties through the skull, and then take and zip tie that on top of the tree around the column. That's what I did for all of the skulls. The next thing I did was took some branches. Fortunately, I had lots of downed branches from the storms this year, and tucked those into the tree and into the zip ties so that they are secure. So those are all natural dead branches. If you don't have access to some, you can use all artificial. Now I'm going to take some artificial garlands and top the dead branches with some pretty artificial garlands to make it look a little nicer and add a little bit of golden color to my swag of skulls. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add orange lights. These are 350 orange lights from the Hide and Eat collection at Target. And I'm just going to add those all into the garlands and around the skulls. So I have this wonderful large skeleton and fall leaf display ready to greet trick-or-treaters. And you can see how you can replicate that following my instructions. Over here on the front door, I've used similar artificial leaf wreath, and I've gathered all kinds of skulls that I've tied up, and a skeleton hand is holding them. So I'm all ready for Halloween. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll link to any of the supplies that I used, and I'll see you next time right here.